Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by working on a copy so live data stays safe. Recreate the issue and read the exact error text. That tells you the failure mode. Once done, inspect formulas with the error and use Show Formula or Control+ to reveal what's referenced. Make note of external references, import ranges, and named ranges that might have changed. This initial scan saves time because you can target the likely cause instead of guessing. Now you trace the formula path to find the broken link. Use the formula bar to expand nested functions and split complex expressions into helper cells to see intermediate results. Once you isolate the failing segment, correct range addresses, restore missing sheet names, or wrap protections with IFER for graceful handling. Make sure import range has permissions and align array outputs to destination ranges. Test each change. Validating stepwise prevents new errors from propagating. Finish by confirming corrected values across related sheets and removing any helper cells you used for debugging. Make sure formulas return expected types, numbers versus text, and lock ranges if needed. If the error persists, clear browser cache, try another account or incognito to eliminate permission or UI caching problems. And if everything else fails, restore a nearby version from version history to compare formulas. That often reveals subtle edits that introduce the error, so you can revert or patch precisely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.